Igboho ní kí n sọ pé n tóun sọ rè ni mo ṣe ń sọ síta o. Ó ní kí ìyá Onítìrí wá jáde kó deny tí mò ń sọ ìpè bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́.
All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, Yoruba Nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. All right, my people, this is another strong one reaching us. Well, the fact now remains that a lot of things had been exposed. And then onto this one reaching us, Chief Sunday Igboho finally exposed Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. This is so strong. I don't even know where to start this. Well, I am going to paraphrase this. The first voice you heard was the voice of one of the Yoruba Nation agitators, Babagba Gede Imo TV. Yes, that was his voice. And then, according to what he has said, Chief Sunday Igboho called him some night ago. Yes, I think it's not up to 24 hours right now. Chief Sunday Igboho called him and then explained. In fact, he exposed Mrs. Modupe Onitiri to him. This is so strong. Oh, this is so serious. What exactly is going on right now? Well, on my timeline, I have read a lot of comments from people, and this comment never favored Mrs. Modupe Onitiri at all. Yes, if you know, you know. And right now, a lot of people have been like, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri had been sent by a politician to destroy the Yoruba Nation movement and then also arrest Chief Sunday Igboho. Well, onto this one, Chief Sunday Igboho said a lot of things. In fact, he exposed a lot of things that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri that you are seeing, she's not the right person to lead this movement, according to what Chief Sunday Igboho has said. And then according to what had been gathered, it had been said that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri actually had been sent to destroy Yoruba Nation movement and then to capture Chief Sunday Igboho for the Nigerian government. Well, I know a lot of people will be like, yes, we thought as much, while some set of people will be like, how did you people arrange these lies? All right, my people, one thing we are so sure of is that nothing is hidden forever. All right, and what exactly are we talking about? It had been gathered that Chief Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, on her own part, had been of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho must come to Nigeria. That that was talking about the time of the rally, and then Chief Sunday Igboho actually exposed everything that actually happened during this period. That if you can remember vividly very well, as at last year, the announcement which was made was the fact that there's going to be a nationwide Yoruba mega rally, and in this mega rally it's going to be from morning till anytime. That is not the kind of rally that people will now come in the morning and want to go back in the evening. If you have been following, you will remember that Professor Banji Akintoye said something like that. And then, not knowing that a lot of things had been going on underground. And with the news reaching us, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri had earlier said that she had been carrying CSI along all this while onto the next level. And then this time around, Chief Sunday Igboho actually exposed everything. That the kind of plan Mrs. Modupe Onitiri was a suspicion one. That to the extent Mrs. Modupe Onitiri was like, when it comes to that mega rally that was supposed to hold them, that Chief Sunday Igboho would have to come to Nigeria, and then she will lodge Chief Sunday Igboho in Badagry. Then at the end of it all, he will come out in different places, and then in the impersonation form of people who actually look like him. They will be all over, according to the plans Mrs. Modupe Onitiri had. That onto this one, Chief Sunday Igboho will now come to Nigeria to declare Yoruba Nation. And Chief Sunday Igboho now made it clear that, so this woman, You want my downfall. So exactly what you are planning to do. So you want to set me up. Why would you want me to come to Nigeria at this critical period? Exactly what Chief Sunday Igboho said. And according to what had been gathered, it had been said that Chief Sunday Igboho from there now calculated that, oh, this Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is not somebody that he should be close to. That was how Sunday Igboho now stopped, relating with Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, according to what had been gathered. Well, my people, what exactly do you see onto this one? Because right now, Chief Sunday Igboho himself have finally come out to let everyone understand that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is not the right person to lead this movement, either we like it or not. That all the people that have been following her, believing her, you have to suspect those people that they are all working for politicians. That is so serious. And this is exactly what is happening to us right now. This is what we are hearing right now. And the majority of people, though, have actually reacted in different forms before now. And right now, this had now made me understand that so many people are out there that do not believe in the government. In fact, the teachings of Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Well, onto this one, I will be taking up some messages from a lot of people. You are going to see things for yourselves so that it won't sound as if I was the one that said it. A lot of people have actually reacted onto this one, and then it has been against Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Who do we believe right now? And then that has been the question. All right, and then meanwhile, according to Olufemi Otis, yes, onto this one, he had said that Modupe Onitiri has to be relegated from Yoruba nation. She is not fit to be a leader. She came and then hijacked the movement, claiming to know more than everyone and then fake claims. God told her this and then that. Well, power hungry, she doesn't learn from her history. All right. And then, as you can see for yourselves, this had been said by Olufemi Otis. All right. And then, meanwhile, according to Oladipo Daniel, okay, that's the name. And then onto this one, it said, which glory? Who tells you that Emilokon was not the one who sent Dupe Onitiri to scatter Yoruba nation? All right, so and what exactly is this person talking about? Then, if you have actually, or you've been following this page, you will understand that there was a day, like 2 days ago, 4 days ago, so to say, I released content. I released content, and then onto that content, it was gathered that Mrs. Odupe Onitiri had finally taken all the glory herself, and Soye Koribe are taking all the glory, after which the Yoruba Nation agitators visited the office of the Lagos State Governor. And then according to what they told us, it was gathered that the Lagos State Governor had finally endorsed Yoruba Nation movement, and a lot of people were now jubilating, praising Modupe Onitiri and Soye Koribe. Okay, and right now, this person had actually on his own part reacted, and his name is Oladipo Daniel. He says, well, which glory? Who tells you that Emilokon was not the one who sent Dupe Onitiri to scatter Yoruba nation? All right, my brother, my sister, what is this telling you? Hey, well, no be small thing right now as we speak. And we had already talked about the fact that if care is not taken, a lot of things will go wrong, because we see no reason why this will actually be happening. A lot of people have said it that they never believed in Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Yes, and then so many people have concluded that she was sent by politicians to scatter Yoruba nation. Okay, and a lot of people keep talking against Modupe Onitiri. Don't you think that this woman is now in a very big soup? All right, my people. Meanwhile, let me take this last comment out of all the comments I have. Okay, and this one is coming from Mr. Sunday Gabriel. Okay, that's his name. Onto this one, he says, well, people are still deceiving themselves. First of all, the people that went to governor's office are their people. My question is, did Sanwo-Olu come out publicly and then receive the letter, or someone else received it? MOA, meaning Mrs. Onitiri Abiola, needs to stop all this game. It is very funny to me that someone or some people are still dumb. Okay, that's exactly what he has said. That a lot of people are still dumb listening to Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, and then this time around, that Chief Sunday Igboho had now come out, on his own to declare, to let everyone understand that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri is not someone that should be trusted, that he does not trust her any bit, simply because he has seen it that this woman does not love him. Well, a lot of things were actually said onto this one, according to what had been gathered. Well, our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to protect us all. Because the way the whole issue is going right now, it's only God that will make Yoruba nation to be achieved. All right, my people, prayer is very paramount at this juncture. All right, what more can we say onto this? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.